it's me.
We all know that babies need a lot of sleep. But do you know that not all babies are able to sleep fast? Hello, I'm Sunny Tan and welcome to Orffie Friends. Music inspires emotions, and research has shown that music can soothe the little one peacefully and help them in their sleeping pattern. This is what I suggest parents to do before putting their babies to sleep. Put on soft, soothing, relaxing lullaby songs and dim the light to create a calm environment to nurture their sleeping patterns. Remember, it is important to create a routine for your baby. Now this soft, slow and repetitive music will slow down the heartbeat of the baby, which allows for calmer breathing. Many Asian cultures are so afraid to make sound while putting their baby to sleep because they believe baby cannot sleep when there are noises. How many of you do this? Do you know that this belief is not correct? Your voice is familiar and the rhythm of the song are actually helping to slow down the heartbeat. So mom, dad, don't underestimate the power of your voice while singing to your loved one. Today, start creating a baby routine by singing your favorite lullaby. Thank you for watching and see you on another Orffie Friends.